Welcome back to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. We were working on the Ford uh, Transit 2019. We are not able to write the strategy, the transmission strategy using IDS. It take us to, it say you have to use the FDRS. And FDRS is a new system that for 2019, 2018 and up. You can use it by, you can use even a pass-through device or IDS. You will be able to communicate and do the programming and diagnostic. The platform is kind of different. You can use any pass-through device. This is the car that you see it here. I was trying to get the software running, but I failed because you have to update it. So here is the icon is FDRS. And you have the icon of FGDS, and you know where we can get it from. And also there is another icon of IDS, but I don't have IDS because this software you cannot mix IDS with Honda or something, so I left it. So now when I use FGD, look here, we're gonna use FGDS. And FGDS is a Ford J2534 software. When I came here, if you remember, I say new car, and I go to next here, connect. Now it's reading the software. I'm trying to communicate, it say transit connect. Is that true? I will say yes. Now look here. He said you cannot use only for diagnosis and repair system FDRS. The good news is you can use it still with the software that you use it with the IDS FGDR. So I'm gonna close this one here. I'm gonna close this one here. This is not mine anymore. With the same software, I'm gonna go here to FDRS. Just be sure that it's communicating and you are up to date. You must be up to date. That means if it's not updating, this is 28.63. You see it's open because I was in it a couple of minutes ago, and if your password username is correct, it will come like this. Now you have to choose the J2534 that you have it. You can use Mongoose, Toyota, your scanner, which is MDI, not the scanner, what is it called? Hotel. Soft, anything that you have it, you can download the software and go with it. You have 2 days to work with this. Connect it there, and now you're gonna choose what you have. VCM2, VCMM. You know VCM2 also. VCMM is a new one. VCM3 also, but that's how I really, if there is a VCMM, that's the latest software. If you can get this one for Ford, is not bad. I'm using MDI Bosch, but you can use any interface. You see how many? Bosch MDI1, MDI2, Drew Technology, Inc., Cardac, Mactronic pass-through. Mactronic is what AutoHex, Snap-on, Mactronic pass-through, Bosch. So you're gonna say, okay, I choose this one here. Now, you see, this car is offline. Sometimes you cannot connect online direct. So you're gonna go offline. You see technician, your name is here, and what date was, and 2019 Transit Connect. So if you have more cars, you can choose which one you want. You see, when you go click here, it gives you some information about the car, even the color. So it is better for you to connect like this. Do not connect online. Sometimes it will not recognize the car. If you want to read from the vehicle, for example, it's a different story, but sometimes you will not be able to connect offline. You cannot be able to connect online, so go and connect offline. But because I was in the system, I'm good to go now. So I just gonna go. If you want to read the car from the beginning or by previous VIN, or you see like here, by previous VIN is here, I already connected, and then go with it. You already have it. If you don't have anything before, maybe you're gonna unlock this. don't know what they say, but I believe if you don't connect this one here, maybe you have to go. I'm not sure why this select by year and vehicle. You're gonna come here because you are offline. So you come here and choose the year, model. You see Ford Transit Connect. Those cars are only 4 cars. Now when you click OK, this is when you have nothing in the database. You see now it's gonna communicate with the module, but the red line here is that you are offline. And all the time, if you are not able to communicate with the car, try to be offline. Right now we are offline. We have all the cars, we have everything, details. Just say continue. It gives you everything that you want. But you can, when you click here, this is all the car. Anything you want from diagnosis and ECU here. But you cannot program any car. So what you need to do, you go to offline here. Take that one off. You see that piece there? Now you are in a different direction. You are here online. Download, programming, configuration, software, anything is going to be here. If you have a subscription with Ford, you will be able to get manuals like how to get the wiring diagram, repairs, all this you will be able to get it. Now the car is testing it. Now here everything is based on the information just you did on the computer creating. You understand? If you want to go off mode, you just click on this small piece here, it will go off mode. And it's still downloading vehicle information. Okay, now here you see it changed. We have all the information here. This is the computers that are available. If you want to view the DTC, if you want to view the codes in this here, you can view codes if there is a code. Like here you want to view, like you want to view codes from this side. You see there is no codes, all the codes. If there's anything that related to problems, you can get it here. I don't see no codes to say, okay, check this code for me. You can clear your code from here. Okay, let me go back to inbox again. From here, you will be able to go on all and scroll down. You see here you have 2 places to scroll down. Get the one in the bottom here and then scroll. What do you want to do? You want to program a computer? Okay. I did a transmission solenoid. Transmission strategy download. I already have it. So I ran it one time, so I want to run it. What do you need to do? He asks you. If you change the transmission, one second please. Okay, if you want to go on the history here maybe, so it tell you what's wrong, what do you need to do. So you already say yes, continue, and starting of the engine have to be off, ignition, engine off. And also if you want to know the strategy, solenoid is coming with the dealer. When you buy the solenoid valve, it's something like this. Those numbers, you have to put it inside a square place. So ignition is on. You're gonna click next. I just give you an idea how this works. So you're gonna fulfill it here. You see, I already have it. I already wrote it down. If you have a different, because you change the computer, if you have a different, you're gonna write it there. You understand? And you click next, it will write it for you. You understand? I'm gonna show the history what I have. This is the history of anything that being done. Everything was done and passed. So I'm gonna go hide history. Okay, say continue. Also, okay, he think that I'm gonna write down this. So I don't want to write it. Is there any way to go back? I'm not sure if there is anything to go back. If you wanna write the same one, you're gonna write it. Okay. But let me close here. Maybe here. You're gonna close here. Come back from here. You wanna abort it? You say yes. Abort. So I finish with abort. That one. And here and you keep doing until I break. Anything you wanna do, you have to download it. You have to download it into it, and then you're gonna start doing it. Here for like codes, description, you need to highlight one. Like it's still also, it can give you some information. Self-test. B. This one here, it give you one at a time. Like you come from here, you come from this place, you choose what you want to do. This instrument cluster. Here he give you instrument cluster and what you want to do with it. If I go back down, engine computer, okay, here body, gateway, powertrain control module. Here engine computer, he give you all the function of the engine computer. So this here is not all, this only engine computer. It have a lot of stuff. Vehicle speed limiter configuration, power control module configuration. Anything that you want to do, you have to click on the right side and go click on the left side. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Hope this will help us and will help all the people here to get some information how you approach new cars and do your programming, electrical and electronics, and diagnose. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.